Hello, my lovely people. It's your girl Monica Lobolobo, aka Shine. Your Shine, the yucky one on social media. Yes, so. Hello, my people. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, so, my people, this life, something dey things they happen for this life, I beg, make una dey pray well, whichever thing wey you believe, they pray, but I go tell you, say, God na dey conquer all. No matter the power wey person will take nyanya can give you, use and take rake like this. God pass them all. Something they happen for this life where we dey. Something they happen. Something they happen. Human being they wicked. Human being. Some human being they too wicked. The mind where you get for them, they not go get them for you. If they look you, make things not just better for you, make you die. Now they just they look you. My people. God bless it for person life like this. Person need to they protect them. Yes, so me. I sabi protect God blessing for my life. Oh. Hey, I sabi and where. Hey? My people, the message I just give just now for Facebook. Now, woman wey buy house, use the money, they buy house, carry mortgage, they pay, put for 16 years now. Now she can't rent the house for somebody. Because they just quarrel small like this, the people don't they try to say they not go pay. They know they even only try to say they not go pay. They threaten to kill the woman to wipe her generation off. Make person they careful. Make person they careful. People when you help, they feel be the one wey go swim with their life, say they go deal with you, make your life miserable. They never even quarrel. See the woman don't they make audio to the woman say, ooh, you be this, you be that. You just say I don't know you. Your husband can't tell us say, na so na don't buy another. You can see all this one lie. Can you imagine? That kind of person just snap. For her to play this type of audio, go give that woman we be a landlady. Assuming they talk to somebody else, my people, it go just run and down. This life ain't no balance, Waiting some people they do for this life, person they fear. Me I know fit talk this day say I dey fear human being, but I dey very, very careful of things where they do. I dey very careful. Because some of them, especially people where be say they never make them, they get one thing or the other for their life. More na run for them. One thing or the other for their life, like if it be say you get children, the person not get pikin. If they look for. They're very careful, especially when you go see the sign of say it be like say if they jealous you, or it be like say you not too like the way they react for some kind of thing, or wait they look your picking. I beg, run away from that person, avoid them. Things they happen, things they happen. Or you can see say the person don't reach to marry. He never marry. If they look for, he never see. Make you not carry your own marriage. They go, they play with that kind of person like that. No use your husband take boshara for that kind of person. No allow your husband to go do anything for that kind of person. If that kind of person are your friend, and he can call you say, my friend though, I bet you fit tell your husband, may come help me carry something. I just newly buy bed. May come help me fix am. May come help me do this. May come drive me go. I bet not allow your husband. Don't do that type of mistake, my people. And they tell you. Not say your husband say, hey, honey, I bet can't go help this, my friend. He say he want go so yeah, go drop and never. When you know, say, now woman we supposed to don't get husband, not get. Or when you know, say, now woman we supposed to don't get boyfriend, he not get. Or now woman where you know, say, now single mother where be say, he not get agbahin, and they look for. if they look for, you know, say some single mothers, they're not they look for. They not really, not be that one be their priority. But you go get the one where a big say, go say, that one, you know, still work. You don't really get boyfriend. No work, you know. Now you want to use your husband to do a aki for? No, not do. I been at the one where be say, you get documents, you not get documents. He go come tell you say, borrow me your document. Me I take go name. No give. No give. And you too, may you know they do oversabi help. They not ask you just now. And so you go take by yourself, carry yourself, go from. God forbid, may you not go drop and for bad person hand. You will come regret them. If we all for this line know how we take they do all this help for these people, we know to the year all this baba thing with the year so. We too, if we they do something for people, we know they look. Be careful. Even somebody for this social media that they now with for years say two friends quarrel, one can go call social welfare for the other one children. Una know ye. Assuming they can't reach that house, now house where children not too organized or the woman not too organized like that. Why be don't come? Why? Because they say that they quarrel, that they vex. You might be these days, wanna try to they avoid them. Another one we just see newly happen. They say two friends that they quarrel. Before you know, now so the other one they threaten the other one. Before you know it, don't go call social, call this, call that, lie for the woman head, this, that. He want knock everything about the woman. Make una they take careful the way we una they allow friends to take they know where how you take they survive for life. You need to lock on, Mona lock on. Mona no they allow them to they know again. Say my friend, now wow, these people generally do this so they be said like this. Make they not just come know because they say me I bring this one, come me I lie to them. Anything where you lie put about government, not tell your friend again. Not let your friend know where you lie put about government. Not tell them again. So that they not go use that against you tomorrow. Because these days, you don't know who is who. Let's see where follow you laugh today. Now, tomorrow, you go come they do like saying and wish. But as we now children of God, may we continue to they pray. May God take by himself, they drive such people come up for our life. Because if you not do bad, you not go see bad. And even if bad come meet you, like me, bad come meet me, I not do bad. Now good thing I do. But devil go enter into some people, come turn my good to bad. But Baba God save me. Yes, my people. Baba God save me, both physical and spiritual. Baba God save me. When you they follow person, they quarrel, you can see say that person. He don't leave the side of to even they do for his side body, they can't come and talk. And you know, say the one way they don't do for his side body, now he pass the one way they can't do come out. Now because his side body will not come rich, now he make the con they do and come out. I go tell you, make you not fear. May you continue to do good. May you make sure say your hand clear. May you continue to the report them to God. Papa God the listing where. Now my own case, let me tell you. Papa God the listing where. Me that time I was just crying back to sender. Anything where they plan back to sender. Any way they dig, they go fall inside. Any load where they load for ground will not be my own. Now they go carry on by the search. Every evil load that go call them and they can carry on. Because now they load down. Every lie up and down go say no go get anything we go do for my body. Now they lie and make they can use their hair carry on. It's not easy, my people, but if you trust in the Lord, He not go ever leave you, not forsake you. Because sometimes, even before the thing they happen, He already know. That's why they always use time of trial like this to take promoters. You understand? Many things they where everybody be arranged to do for this year 2020, where be say it not can work. Make you not still give up hope. More days, more years ahead. make you not give up hope, make you just find a way of planning it again. Even me, this year 2020, it blessed me well. I not go feel complain. To God be the glory. But some other plan where I get for myself, for me and my children, for me and my family, this Corona time really just, make am work out. But if me can look around, people wey go hospital, people wey die because of this Corona, many things wey really go bad for people, I'll constantly thank my God, because all things work together for those. All things work together for good of those that love their Lord. God has been so faithful to me and my household. I have nothing to complain about. Thank you so much, my lovely people. They always watch my channel. God bless you now. I use this video to contain one una say, make una they know una limits about what una they talk about una self to people. People are wicked. Their heart is seething and they are jealous. They won't show it until when they feel say they don't get enough weapon about you. But more na not stay worried. As far as una not do the bad, Baba God will disappoint them. But make you not be a fool. If me wey dey here so be a fool, I for not dey here to dey talk again. Therefore don't wipe my enemy. Okay? I'm loving, I'm kind, I'm simple, I'm neutral, I'm good for people, but I'm not stupid. If you think I'm stupid, it's your business, but I know that I'm not stupid. I know what I'm doing. Thank you so much, my lovely people. God bless you now. Make una love una husband, make una love una children. If una children don't grow, make una find best friend, good friend, accompany inside una children. So if that one no dey, as una want use outside that they do friend, make una make sure say una check that person where una control and say the thing they match with una spirit. Like me, so I get handfuls of friends where we dey discuss, we dey laugh for real, we are into each other because our heart they go for each other. My belle never tell me say, this one they do bad. So you too now, so it go be for you. Anytime your belle tell you chuku about something, make you take am well, because now so Holy Spirit they speak to your children. Okay, go give you sign, go dey comfortable, so that you feel discern that thing where they go on for there. Okay, my people, una take care. I go see you now for inside my page show tomorrow, where we want to go talk about circumcision. Thank you.